What if AI could do in 10 seconds? What takes a film crew 3 days to plan? Before a single frame of a movie gets filmed, a director sits down with a whole team: a storyboard artist, a cinematographer, a production designer, a colorist, and together they spend days, sometimes weeks, planning every single shot, the camera angles, the lighting, where the characters stand, which lens to use, what the mood feels like. That's called pre-production. And it's expensive, it's slow, and most solo creators never get access to it. Today, I typed one sentence into an AI tool, and what came back genuinely stopped me. That's not a movie poster. That's a full film production document, generated by AI, from one sentence. So today, we're doing a challenge: AI versus a real director. Now, let's see what AI does with it. The tool we're using today is called Smart Shot by OpenArt. And I want to be clear, this is not your typical AI video generator. Before it generates a single frame of video, it builds what's called a shot plan. And a shot plan is, I'm not exaggerating here, the same document a real film director would produce in pre-production. Character reference sheets, environment design, a storyboard, a camera diagram, lighting and mood notes, all of it, from one sentence. And here's how it works under the hood, and it's because this part is actually fascinating. Smart Shot runs on 2 AI models working in sequence. GPT Image 2 acts as the director's brain. It reads your sentence and generates the entire shot plan: who the characters are, what the world looks like, how the camera moves cut by cut. Then Seedance 2.0 takes that shot plan and renders the final video. Professional movement, consistent characters, cinematic lighting, all baked in. You don't touch either model directly, you just describe the idea. Smart Shot handles everything else. Alright, let's run the challenge. Okay, this is the OpenArt homepage. You will find the link in the description. Today, we will use this Smart Shot feature. Once you select the Smart Shot, your interface will be something like this. Here, in this box, we have to enter the idea or prompt. So here's the scene I'm going to use. And I kept it simple on purpose, because I want to show you that you don't need a complicated prompt for this to work. The sentence is, a vengeful Valkyrie and a skeletal dragon lord clash amidst the falling debris of a shattered moon. That's it. No camera instructions, no lighting notes, no character descriptions, just the idea. Now you can add references like character and object references and environment reference. They are optional. If you already have the character and environment reference, you can add them here. I will skip this time. Now, we have to set some settings. First, the sheet quality. I will go with high quality for a better result. The output setting is for video generation. I will set it to 16:9, 1080p, and 10 seconds. Okay, now, here at the bottom, you will find 2 options: Preview Sheet and Create Video. If you want to create the video directly, then click on Create Video. However, if you want to see the detailed storyboard, use the Preview Sheet option. I will use this one. And here it is. Our sheet is ready. First up, character reference. And look at this. For Valkyrie, we've got a full height chart: front view, side view, back view, facial close-up, side close-up, costume and armor details. Next, here is our second character, Dragon Lord. You can see the front view, 3/4 view, side view, close-up, and other possible views of the character. In a real production, a costume designer, a makeup artist, and a lighting director would each get a version of this document. Smart Shot generated both character sheets, fully detailed, from one sentence. That's insane. After the character, we have environment or set design. On the left, we've got a full panoramic render of the battlefield. The shattered moon, floating rock platforms. Lightning is cracking through storm clouds. Fire and debris everywhere. This is the world. But here's the part that really got me. On the right, there's a top-down floor plan. You can see the Valkyrie and Dragon Lord's position, the camera angle and shot type. This is a blocking diagram. A real production designer draws this by hand so the director knows exactly where everyone is at every moment of the scene. Smart Shot plotted it automatically on a map with camera paths. I genuinely did not expect this. Now, the storyboard. 5 shots. And I'm going to read each one because the detail here is what makes this different from every other AI tool. Shot 1. It's a crane down wide shot. You can even see it's using the 24mm anamorphic lens. You can see the scene details here. Next, in shot 2, it's using a 50mm anamorphic lens to create a dolly in shot. In shot 3, it will use a 75mm lens and create a whip pan, a close-up shot. Like this, you can see the 4th and 5th shot with all the details. 5 shots. Each one is named. Each one is described with intention. Each one with a specific lens, a specific duration, and a specific camera technique. But here's the thing I want you to notice. Every single lens in this storyboard is anamorphic. 24mm, 50mm, 75mm, 100mm, 40mm. All anamorphic. That's not random. That's a deliberate visual language. Anamorphic lenses give you that ultra-wide cinematic look. The oval bokeh. The horizontal lens flares. The deep contrast. It's the look of big-budget fantasy films. And finally, lighting, mood, and style. And this section is where it really starts to feel like a professional production document. 4 lighting conditions were defined for this scene, and they are perfect. In the end, you will find the mood and lens. A real colorist and director of photography would define all of this in a pre-production document. Smart Shot generated it, including the lighting contrast between the 2 characters, the environmental lighting conditions, and the full visual style, automatically. Now, if you think there is any issue with the shot, you can regenerate the shot or edit the image to customize it. I think this is a perfect shot. So, I will hit the Create Video button from here. And here it is, the video is ready. Watch the shot sequence. Crane down from space, you see the full scale of the shattered moon. Dolly in. Both characters are charging toward each other. Whip pan to her face. That frost blue fire in her eyes. Rack focus to the Dragon Lord. His burning gaze locking on. Low angle arc. They collide. It followed the storyboard. The Valkyrie looks the same in every cut. Same armor. Same silver blue light. The Dragon Lord looks the same. Same bone texture. Same ember glow. The color palette held. Cold blue on her side. Warm orange on his. This is not a random AI clip. This is a directed sequence, and it came from 11 words. Now, honestly speaking, if we want to create a shot like this with the traditional method with a real director, we need to build a set with a green screen, design the concept art, create the costume design for the character, create the storyboard, and then take multiple shots by the cinematographer using several lenses and a camera. Once done, we need a massive team of editors to do all the VFX work. And the whole process will take around 7 days to 15 days to create the 10-second visual. But we just created it in just a few minutes. And the cost? Don't mention it. It costs only around $2, while the traditional method will cost over $100,000. Now, where does a real director still win? Intuition, emotion, the ability to react in the moment on set, the lived experience that tells you when something feels off, even if it looks right on paper. Smart Shot can't replace that. But for a solo creator, for someone who doesn't have a crew, a budget, or 3 days to plan, this is the closest thing to having a film production team in your pocket, and that's genuinely new. Okay, now I am creating another shot, but with the reference. I am entering the idea and then adding the character and environment reference. Once the images are added, we have to tag them into the prompt. Just type add and then select the correct reference image. Once done, set all the settings and then create the shot. And here it is, the shot is ready. Now we have to review, and if you find everything is okay, then hit the Generate Video button. And here it is, the video is ready. This is really something amazing. The shot plan proves that the AI isn't just generating. It's thinking like a director. It's making creative decisions about characters, about camera, about light and mood before a single frame renders. I typed 11 words. Smart Shot came back with character sheets, a floor plan, a 5-cut storyboard, specific lens choices, 4 lighting conditions, and a full mood board. That's not a prompt. That's a production. And that's what makes Smart Shot different from every other AI video tool right now. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. And I've got a 15% off promo code for you. It's Smart Shot, works on the monthly plan. And genuinely, when you try it, don't just generate the video. Spend time on the shot plan, react to it, point out the storyboard panels, the camera diagram, the character sheets. That's where the wow moment is. That's the part that makes people stop scrolling. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.